The Corvette E-Ray features an aerodynamic kit very similar to the pure fuel version of the Z06, but the new car is 9.14 mm wider than the standard model, and the E-Ray's front and rear bumpers have more air vents. It still maintains its very aggressive appearance. The rear of the car has been replaced with a dual-sided quad-exit exhaust pipe style, which differs from the current method of using center-mounted quad-exit exhaust pipes. The chassis is equipped as standard with the Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 suspension system and Brembo carbon ceramic brake discs. While the rims are paired with 20-inch front and 21-inch Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires at the rear, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is also offered to buyers as an option. The original factory offers vehicle owners a total of 14 exterior colors to choose from and features a special carbon flash badge. It also provides lightning blue painting to appeal to its hybrid status. All car series have four-wheel styles and carbon fiber rims are also available. The new car's interior continues the wraparound layout of the fuel version. The center console tilts towards the driver's side. The double-spoke plus double flat-bottom steering wheel is equipped with carbon fiber and Tern logos. It is also worth noting that the central tunnel next to the main driver's seat is equipped with an energy recovery button, and next to it is the engine start and stop button. In terms of power, Corvette E-Ray uses a 6.2L V8 engine plus engine combination that produces a total of 665 horsepower. Officials pointed out that the vehicle can reach a speed of 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in 2.5 seconds. The engine mounted on the front axle has an independent output power of 160 horsepower, 120 kilowatts, and 165 Nm with a 1.9 kWh lithium-ion battery. In stealth mode, it can travel at a maximum speed of 72 km per hour without starting the V8 engine. Officially, this setting can be applied when entering and exiting the community. Chevrolet also announced that all 2024 Corvette models will be upgraded to standard ADAS, including lane departure warning, forward collision warning, active emergency braking, lane keep assist and other systems, bringing this legendary sports car series more in line with the trend.